You probably spend hours a day on Spotify, right? It's the soundtrack for your commute, your workout, your focus time. It's basically the background music to your life. But what if those playlists, the ones you're already making for fun, could be your ticket to a full-time income? In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain on a secret method that's turning music lovers into moneymakers. I'll show you how it's possible to earn over $100 a day without ever picking up an instrument. And it all starts with your playlists. So stick around, because what I'm about to share is the difference between just listening to music and actually earning from it. Let's be real for a second. When you think of making money on Spotify, you think of being an artist, right? Racking up millions of streams, but the reality behind that is pretty brutal. In 2025, Spotify pays an artist somewhere between $0.003 and $0.005 per stream. That means to make just $100, you need 25,000 to 33,000 streams. To make a living, you're talking about millions of streams every single month. It's a tough uphill climb, but there's another way in. A side door to earning on Spotify that most people don't even know exists. It's the role of a playlist curator. Think about it. What's the most powerful discovery tool on Spotify? It's not one song, it's the playlist. Playlists are the new radio. And because of that, getting a song on a popular playlist is one of the most valuable things that can happen to a new artist. They need tastemakers. They need you. And they are more than willing to pay for your ear and your audience. This isn't about collecting fractions of a penny per stream. This is about artists paying you directly for your influence. That's the secret. You don't have to own the music, you just have to own the audience. Now, I know what you're thinking. Get paid to listen to music? Sounds way too good to be true. I get it. I was skeptical too when I first stumbled upon this. I loved making playlists for road trips and workouts, but I never thought it could be a real business. Then I discovered the platforms that connect artists directly with curators. I decided to focus on just one of my playlists, a niche late-night drive vibe I had going. I worked on growing it, sharing it on social media, and in a few online music communities. Once it hit that magic number of about 1,000 followers, I signed up as a curator on a couple of sites. At first, a few submissions trickled in. An artist would pay a small fee just for me to listen to their track and consider it. Sometimes I'd add the song, sometimes I wouldn't, but I always gave a few lines of honest feedback. I was literally getting paid for my opinion. Within a month, I was making $10, then $20 a day, just by spending about an hour reviewing new tracks. Before long, I had multiple playlists going, and those little payments started adding up to a serious income. You're solving a huge problem for thousands of artists who are desperate to be heard. Okay, this is the part you've been waiting for. How can you do this too? I'm going to break it down into 3 simple steps. Follow this blueprint, and you can build your own playlist empire. Step 1, create your product, the perfect niche playlist. First things first, your playlist is your product. It has to be targeted, high quality, and something people genuinely want to listen to on repeat. The biggest mistake you can make is creating a generic top hits playlist. You'll be drowned out by Spotify's own editors. The real key is to find a niche. A niche can be a subgenre, a specific mood, or an activity. Think dystopian sci-fi focus, modern soul for cooking, or indie folk for a rainy day. The more specific, the better, because it helps you attract a dedicated audience. Once you've got your niche, give it a brand. Come up with a searchable, descriptive title, then design some unique cover art. Don't just slap a random photo on it. Use a free tool like Canva to create something that looks professional and fits the vibe. Your cover art is the first thing anyone sees. Finally, fill it up. Start with around 50 to 100 songs that fit the theme perfectly. The flow and cohesion of your playlist are what will make people stick around. Take pride in it. This is your brand. Step 2, grow your audience to 1,000 followers. This is where the real work comes in. Most monetization platforms require you to have at least 1,000 followers on your playlist. This shows them you have a real, engaged audience and that a spot on your playlist is actually valuable. So how do you get there? For the love of all that is good, do not buy followers. They are bots, they are unengaged, and they will kill your playlist's reputation. You need real people. Share your playlist everywhere you can. On your personal social media, in relevant Reddit communities, Facebook groups, or on Discord servers for your genre. TikTok and Instagram Reels are your secret weapons here. Make short videos showcasing a few of the best songs from your playlist. Use a trending sound from your niche with a text overlay like "songs that feel like a villain origin story," and pop the playlist link in your bio. You'd be shocked how fast a single viral video can send hundreds of new followers your way. It takes patience and consistency, but getting to 1,000 real followers is the price of admission. Step 3. Monetize your taste on payout platforms. You've built the playlist. You've grown the audience. Now it's time to cash in. You're going to sign up as a curator on platforms designed to connect you with artists. The big 3 to check out first are SubmitHub, Playlist Push, and Groover. Let's use SubmitHub as an example. Artists pay in credits to send their song to you. You get paid simply to listen and give a short review. If you love the song and it's a perfect fit, you can add it. If not, you decline, but here's the key: you still get paid for your time. This setup is brilliant because it protects your playlist's quality. You never have to add a song you don't genuinely like. Payouts per review can range from $1 to over $15, depending on your playlist's size and reputation. Now, let's be realistic. When you're just starting with 1,000 followers, you'll be on the lower end of that scale. The $100 a day goal is something to work towards as you grow multiple playlists and build your reputation. But with just a few playlists, reviewing 10, 20 songs a day can start generating real income. The process is simple. Sign up, link your Spotify, get your playlist approved, and the submissions will start coming to you. Spend an hour with your morning coffee listening to new music and watch your earnings grow. And hey, if you got any value out of this video, do me a solid and hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel and tells me you want more videos that turn your passions into profit. So, there you have it, the 3 steps to your new side hustle. 1. Build a branded niche playlist. 2. Grow an organic audience to over 1,000 followers. 3. Monetize your taste on platforms like SubmitHub and Playlist Push. The opportunity is real. The music industry has a new side door, and it doesn't require a record deal or a viral hit. It just requires good taste and the knowledge of how to use it. You're already discovering music and making playlists every day. Now it's time to get paid for it. Stop being just a consumer and become a creator. Your future as a paid music curator starts today.